And I'm happy to kind of say that because one of the big things that's really happening in the market at the moment is the commoditization. So if we really think about what's going on here, all of the major providers have hooked onto Model Context Protocol (MCP) as the standard for remote tool calling, and I think that's a good thing, right? Because we're going to move into this world where we want to be built on composition. So if everybody's at least standardizing on tools, then there can be a marketplace of tools. And it also means the models can be trained to work with those tools very well. And therefore, if you want to shift to a different agent for whatever reason, then guess what? You can bring your tools along with that. And I think in the factory context, this makes sense as well, right? So from a factory perspective, I'm going to want to build something, right? But actually, maybe 80% of the tools already exist, and maybe 80% of the agents that can work with those tools already exist. And I really need to do the 20%. Whereas in the previous world, I would have had to do all of that. So I think that becomes important. And then with things like A2A and ACP, so having agent protocols where you can have a standardized way of having agents be able to talk to each other. And again, whether it's Salesforce, Microsoft, etc., they're all landing on protocols for that interoperability. So I think that moves us into a marketplace again. So I think as soon as you start to get in this world of marketplaces and you have this area of standardization, then I hope that means we get away from this winner takes all market, and then folks can specialize on the things that they're really good at, and their differentiation